Hello, I'm Thamizharasu, your business coach. Today, we are delving into the fascinating world of operations management, a crucial component in the success of any business. From understanding the basics to exploring the future trends, join me as we unlock the secrets behind effective operations management. So, let's dive right in. 1. Understanding the fundamentals of operations management. We begin by understanding the fundamentals of operations management. It's a field that focuses on managing the processes involved in production and distribution. It's all about ensuring that business operations are efficient, using as few resources as possible, and effective, meeting customer requirements. So, remember, good operations management equals efficiency plus effectiveness. 2. The role of operations management in business success. Next, let's explore the role of operations management in business success. It translates strategy into action, orchestrates resources, and ensures that businesses can turn inputs into outputs in an efficient manner. Operations management is the engine room of any business. It's where the plan becomes reality. 3. Key processes in operations management. Now, let's look at some key processes in operations management. These include production planning and control, quality management, inventory management, capacity management, and logistics. Each plays a significant role in ensuring smooth operations and high productivity. 4. Benefits of effective operations management. Effective operations management has numerous benefits. It increases productivity, reduces costs, improves customer service, and promotes innovation. It's like a magic formula for improving business performance. 5. Strategies for streamlining operations management. But how do you streamline operations management? Well, strategies include investing in technology, training staff, reducing waste, standardizing processes, and enhancing communication. Remember, every improvement in operations can have a major impact on business success. 6. The intersection of operations management and technology. One of the most significant impacts of technology on operations management is the automation of repetitive tasks. Tools like robotic process automation, RPA, and artificial intelligence, AI, help reduce human error and increase efficiency by automating time-consuming, repetitive tasks. Technology also plays a vital role in data collection and analysis, which is crucial in operations management. Sophisticated tools can analyze large volumes of data and provide actionable insights. This helps managers make informed decisions, reducing risk and improving overall operational effectiveness. Thanks to advancements in technology, communication and collaboration have become more accessible and efficient. Tools such as Slack and Microsoft Teams enable teams to communicate and collaborate in real time, regardless of their geographical location. This boosts productivity and ensures smooth operations. 7. Case study: Successful operations management in industry leaders. Amazon's operations management is a model of efficiency. One key aspect of their operations management involves the use of advanced technology in their warehouses, or fulfillment centers, as they call them. From automated picking and packing systems to advanced inventory tracking, Amazon uses technology to streamline their operations, minimize errors, and maximize speed. And Toyota have used innovative operations strategies to become leaders in their fields. Another successful company in the realm of operations management is the world-renowned automobile manufacturer, Toyota. They pioneered the concept of just-in-time, Guid, production. This strategy involves producing only what is needed when it's needed, minimizing waste, and maximizing efficiency. 8. The challenges faced in operations management. However, operations management is not without its challenges. These can range from managing complexity, dealing with uncertainty, ensuring quality, to integrating technology. Overcoming these challenges is a key part of the operations manager's role. 9. The impact of operations management on customer satisfaction. The impact of operations management on customer satisfaction is immense. Good operations can lead to high-quality products, speedy service, and ultimately, satisfied customers. 10. Future trends in operations management, predictions and preparations. Lastly, let's gaze into the future of operations management. With the rise of automation, AI, and other technological advancements, the operations landscape is set to evolve dramatically. Preparing for these changes is crucial for future success. That's all for today's deep dive into operations management. I hope it has given you some valuable insights. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on our future business insights. This is Thamizharasu, your business coach, signing off.